Hi, it's Darnell with Wheel of Recipes, and today I'm going to be air roasting some chicken breasts in the Ninja Prestige XL air fryer oven. And we'll see how that turns out. And let's get cooking right now. Alright, so here I have 5 boneless, skinless chicken breast halves. They vary in size. I'm not exactly sure of the weight, but this one here is huge, and then the others are a bit smaller. I'm going to be seasoning them. They're already thawed, so just wanted to make that clear. I'm using some lemon pepper seasoning and some organic no salt seasoning, and I'm going to just basically season them up and then get them up here on this grill rack. I do want to mention while I'm getting things seasoned up, I won't be using the temperature probe, and if you wonder why, please see the initial review. There are over 80 cooker reviews here on the channel, over 900 videos using different countertop appliances, so be sure to check all that out here on the channel. You can use any seasonings of your choice when you do a recipe like this. Alright, got them all seasoned up. Just going to put them up here on the grill rack. I think from flipping them they got a little, some of that seasoning came off a little bit, so I'm just going to redo a little bit on this side. I don't plan on turning these over at all during the cook. I'm just going to let them cook as straight as they are without any turning or such. We'll see how things turn out. Now I'm going to get things opened up and give you a good look at them. There we go. Up on rack level 3, the upper rack here. So now, and here who really didn't touch the chicken. I'm going to turn the light off so you can see the display clearly. Now I'm going to turn it on, and we'll go to air roast. So here's, go with air roast. So there's air roast. I'll leave it at an hour, just as an even amount of time to count down from. For the temperature, I'm going to go up to 400. I'll just check temperature periodically. They're all different sizes, so some may finish before others, but we'll just see how that goes. And so going to hit start. Actually, I had 405. Let me bring that down, even 400. Alright, so it'll do its quick 90-second preheat, and then things will go ahead and cook. I'll just bring you on back in a little bit. Going to open up. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. You can tell me what you think about that. So now I'm going to check the temperature of some of these. We'll check some of the smaller ones in the front first. Yeah, 189, 190, that's good. 200s, wow. Wow, 180s, so that one's good. This one back here, yeah, it's in the 190s. Let's see the big one. Wow, it's in the one, they're all done in 40 minutes. I didn't expect, especially that big one in the back, to all be done that fast. I guess instead of getting the pan, let me just grab the cutting board real quick. I'll get them all on the cutting board. Alright, so I'm going to just take these, set them all on the cutting board here. Get that. Tell me what you think. Alright, now that the cook's all done, I just turned on the big light so you can see things a little better. So I'm just going to cut into the big one here. Just cut it in half. Things have had some time to rest. So you can see that there, cooked through and through. Looks juicy inside. Let me show you this other side. Looks good. There's juice falling out of there. So I'm just going to cut this piece here off. And got a plate here. I'm just going to do a quick taste test with you of this. So this chicken is piping hot. Thank God for it, and let's taste. was still pretty hot, so I was trying to chew carefully not to burn myself. But super moist and juicy inside. I mean buttery moist. Never mind the temperature, I'm telling you. Super moist and tender. Very good job. So maybe it could have done 30 minutes, but at 40 turned out fabulous. Okay? So great job by the Ninja Prestige XL there. So I hope that you drew the same, try the same. I think it'll turn out just as well for you also. But nothing in this video is sponsored. You can always check out my blog, superwaveovenrecipes.com. Again, that's superwaveovenrecipes.com. Also in the video description, other ways such as my cookbook, merch, membership, donations. Link to the Amazon shop where you pay the same price but help the channel. And so with all that said, if you liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe, hit that notification icon, and good eating.